Today I'm walking you through my full, honest experience using Wishpond, a platform that promotes itself as a one-stop shop for lead generation, landing pages, pop-ups, and marketing automation. From the moment you land on their homepage, it's clear they are targeting marketers and small business owners who want to boost conversions and automate their outreach. The interface looks polished, and the sign-up process is fairly smooth. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're presented with options for creating landing pages, contests, pop-ups, and email campaigns. I started by testing their landing page builder. It's drag and drop, which is great for beginners, and it offers a range of templates. However, some of these templates feel a bit outdated and could use a design refresh to match modern web aesthetics. Still, customization is flexible, and integrating forms was straightforward. I moved on to the pop-up creator. The setup process here is simple, but the design options are not as rich as competitors, like Converbox or OptinMonster. On the plus side, the targeting rules, such as exit intent, time on page, and scroll depth, are well implemented. Now let's talk about email marketing. Wishpond offers automation flows, which are supposed to trigger emails based on user behavior. The interface is visual, but the builder can be clunky at times. Delays in loading and saving campaigns were noticeable during my testing. On a positive note, the contact segmentation features are decent and let you filter leads effectively. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another major feature is their contest and giveaway builder. It's useful for growing your email list quickly, especially with social integrations. But again, you might find the designs a bit limited if branding is a top priority. Analytics are built in, but the depth of data is relatively basic compared to more robust CRMs. You get simple metrics like views, conversions, and bounce rates, but don't expect in-depth funnel analytics or behavioral tracking. Customer support is hit or miss. While they offer live chat, response times vary from prompt to very slow, depending on the day. Documentation is available, but some articles are outdated, and I had to search elsewhere for up-to-date solutions. One thing worth mentioning is that while Wishpond does offer a done-for-you service, it comes at a premium cost. If you're on a tight budget, this might not be viable. Also, their pricing structure is not transparent. You need to book a demo to get full pricing details, which can be a red flag if you're trying to compare platforms quickly. Overall, Wishpond is a functional tool for basic lead generation and marketing automation, but it struggles in some key areas like modern design, UI performance, and transparent pricing. It might work well for small businesses just starting out, but if you're a more advanced marketer or need deeper analytics, there are better alternatives out there. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest software reviews.